If the cleaning product aisle leaves your head spinning, you're not alone. There's a lot to choose from. And if you're looking for safer, less toxic products, it's even more confusing. That's why I thought it would be helpful to share my top four cleaning products and tools that use safer chemicals. Or even toward the middle of this video, you'll see that I'm going to give you a suggestion for cleaning mirrors and glass using no chemicals at all. Hi, I'm Juliana, and I'm a cleaning specialist and the owner of Cleantopia, a residential cleaning business. Number one, my favorite DIY multi-purpose cleaning solution of 2 cups of hot water, 1/4 cup of white vinegar, and 2 tablespoons of Dawn liquid soap. Mix that all up in a clean spray bottle, and you can use it to clean nearly everything in your home: your shower and tub, countertops, glass shower doors, fixtures, sink, stovetop, microwave, and the list goes on. The Dawn soap cuts through grease on your stovetop and in your shower. Combined with the hot water and white vinegar, and it really is a cleaning powerhouse that's less toxic and it's gentle. Number two, a few high quality microfiber cloths, including one made specifically for glass and mirrors. High quality microfiber cloths are essential when cleaning and they're so versatile. You can use them to clean any surface that doesn't have a lot of bacteria. Avoid using anywhere that has the risk of cross contamination. Also, when you use microfibers, designate where they are to be used by color coding them. And the only place I recommend using them in the bathroom is to clean glass or mirrors or to dry previously cleaned surfaces such as sinks or glass shower doors. Now, when I first started in the cleaning business, I really didn't understand the benefits of or even how to use microfiber cloths properly. Furthermore, I definitely didn't understand that there was such a vast difference in the quality of cloths. If you've used a microfiber cloth in the past and you didn't like the way that it felt or that it performed, I urge you to try a higher quality microfiber cloth. They're still relatively inexpensive, they're less than $1 each. You can order them on Amazon. I have a couple here to show you. These are my favorite ones. And we use these to dry freshly cleaned surfaces and to polish fixtures in sinks, showers, and tubs. We also use them to polish ceramic stovetops, etc. And I can even use them on any surface that's glass or mirrors. However, these over here are specifically made to clean glass and mirrors. They are completely lint free, which leaves your surfaces sparkling and streak free. I know that sounds a bit like a gimmick, but it's not. Glass and mirror microfiber cloths deliver on their promise of being lint free and leaving mirrors and glass streak free. In fact, here's a trick. You can use a glass microfiber cloth to clean mirrors by just dampening them with a small amount of water on one side. No cleaning chemicals are needed when using these, and you'll be surprised how clean they get your mirrors and glass. Just dampen one side with the smallest amount of water, wipe the mirror clean, flip it over, and then dry and polish the mirror. Number three, an OXO dispensing soft dish brush, or any liquid dispensing dish brush, really. I like the OXO because it's quality made, doesn't leak, and has a replaceable brush head for longevity. I do have one at home that I only use on dishes. However, all my techs have one in their supply caddy filled with the magically versatile DIY mixture of Dawn soap, plain water, and vinegar. That way they can use them to clean showers, tubs, sinks, stovetops, etc. They work so well cleaning showers and tubs that I also personally keep one filled in each one of my showers at home and use them to clean when I'm nearing the end of the shower. I just scrub everything down and rinse before exiting. Using the OXO scrub brush and a quality squeegee in the shower is the most convenient, non messy, and effective way I've found to keep showers sparkling clean. Number four, Clorox Disinfecting Free and Clear Mist. This is a sanitizing spray cleaner, and it's amazing because it's clear and scent free, and it sanitizes most surfaces in your home without rinsing. It even sanitizes soft surfaces, such as sofa cushions or pet bedding. You just spray it onto any surface you need to be disinfected, wait the recommended 3 minutes, and wipe it dry if necessary. There's no rinsing required unless you're using it on a food preparation surface, such as kitchen countertops. Then you just need to rinse it after letting it do this 3-minute sanitizing. I find this spray irreplaceable when sanitizing bathroom surfaces and kitchen surfaces. I also use it on doorknobs, light switches, and other high touch areas in the home. And there you have it, my top four versatile, multi use cleaning products that I find irreplaceable for cleaning any home. Use these four products combined with paper towels, a vacuum, and a mop, and you can literally clean your entire home with very little to tote around while doing so. I'm Juliana. I want to thank you for joining me today. And remember that you deserve the comfort and the ease of a clean home. I'll see you soon.